Welcome! If you're looking for a way to keep your Instagram notifications private and off your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to hide Instagram notifications from showing up when your phone is locked. This is perfect if you want to keep your messages and alerts away from prying eyes, or just prefer a cleaner, distraction-free lock screen. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to make it quicker. Once you're in Instagram's app settings, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different ways Instagram can alert you, from banners to sounds and more. Now make sure Allow Notifications is toggled on. This might sound counterintuitive, but you need notifications enabled so you can customize exactly how they appear. After that, look for the option that says Lock Screen. This is where you control what shows up when your phone is locked. Tap on it and you'll see a few different choices. Select Unallowed or Don't Show Notifications. This setting will stop Instagram notifications from popping up on your lock screen while still letting you see them when your phone is unlocked. And that's it. Your Instagram notifications are now hidden from your lock screen. You'll still get alerts when you're using your phone, but nothing will show up for anyone glancing at your locked device. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and choose to allow notifications on the lock screen again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Stay private, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.